Kwenzo-ke uzophoqa uSibongile ukuthi-ke ame phambi komndeni akhulume wonke amahlazo akhe. Kanti-ke emva kwazo zonke lezi gameko kaNomalanga-ke ukwenza uzoqala-ke ulandelana noSibongile and uzomphatha kabi ukubona ukuthi uSibongile usemove on. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 8th to the 11th of September 2024 on Monday. Sibongile is taken aback when Nomalanga unexpectedly appears at her dorm. The Induna arrives with a message for Vuma and it doesn't look good for Deliwe on Tuesday. It's a game over as the chicken come home to roost for Nomalanga and she is forced to admit her crimes in front of the family. It is the end of the road for Deliwe, who has just been told that she needs another place to call home on Wednesday. Phetheni has a showdown with Nomfundo Velephi and Sangweni try to leave to be their mother, or Velephi and Sangweni try to leave to be with their mother. Kwenzo is shocked when he sees Sibongile kissing someone else. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.